There it is, all done. For the longest time now, I've wanted to show y'all how I make my turkey chili. So let me tell you how I make this, okay? This recipe will be available to download from unapologeticallygomes.com. So make sure when you go to our website, you hit the subscribe button so you're notified as soon as it's available. Enjoy this video. First, it's turkey chili, and I first fry up the turkey. I'm finally showing you guys how to do it, and actually put a little bit too much of the Smart Balance butter in there. Because all you really have to do is put some canola oil on the bottom of the pan and then fry up your turkey. And you can use like a little tablespoon of butter. I use Smart Balance, so my meat is now frying up. And you can use beef if you want to. I use turkey meat because it's just a little bit lower in fat. And you can also make this meatless. And I used to do that. I sometimes do that. When I use no meat, I'll just add mushrooms instead of the meat. It gives me that feeling that I'm eating meat. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to the meat. Okay, and of course I'm going to, you know, you can put this in a separate pan, but I just hate dirtying too many dishes. So I put it in the same pot that I'm going to make the chili in. I used to do it in a separate frying pan, but I just found it was easier to do it in the same pan with less dishes. There it is, cooking away. Now I also put a little bit of garlic powder, and I add the garlic powder and the pepper to like every layer of this. I just chopping up celery, and then I'm going to chop up these yellow peppers. I have a paper towel. I have a brown onion, and I have 2 jalapeno peppers. Okay, and I'm gonna chop all this up to put in my chili. I'm crying. Okay, so I'm chopping up onions. I forgot to vlog some of this. So I'm chopping up these onions. I have a whole onion I just chopped up and put in there. Hence, I'm crying. And I put the celery, chopped celery in there already. And what else did I cut up, Anna? And the yellow bell peppers. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up these peppers next. And it's all simmering together with the meat. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so there's the meat simmering with the bell peppers, the celery, and the onions. I've added in a little bit of ground cumin, pepper, and a touch of chili powder and oregano leaves. Okay, I'm de-seeding the chili peppers. I did de-seed also the yellow peppers. And I am not using the knife I should be using. Tim gets so mad when I just use a regular dull steak knife. Okay, so here is my turkey chili with now the peppers in it as well. I de-seeded the peppers, but I leave in a few seeds because Tim asks me to. He likes spicy stuff. I'm gonna add in a little bit more seasonings. I add in about a cup of water with all this, I forgot to say, which helps with the meat, getting it off if any of it kind of stuck to the bottom of the pan. So when I add the water in, I let it all simmer, it just kind of all comes loose. And I just kind of toss it every once in a while around to make sure nothing's sticking. Oh my God, it smells so good. So good. Okay, now I'm gonna add in diced tomatoes, black beans, and on the diced tomatoes, it calls for two cans and 1 can of black beans. I personally add in 2 cans of black beans just because I want to make more, and I like black beans. Okay, if you notice, I use organic. That's just me, and I use 1 can of the no salt and 1 can of the salted version. I really, just randomly, I did that. You can use either one you want, okay? I add in a dash of salt into the pot, so you don't have to. But it does make it taste just a little bit. You're supposed to drain the beans. I don't. I add in the whole can. I don't drain them because if I'm going to add water anyways, I just add the whole can in. I also add my can of beans in first before the tomatoes. You can add them all together, but I just like my beans to cook a little more than my tomatoes. Personal preference. Okay, and the way I put my twist on it is I also add garlic. I add garlic. I just dice up some garlic, crush it some too, and I add it in there. And I do that at the end, not at the end, but I mean after I put everything else in. And that's because I like my garlic a little fresher, because garlic, a little fresher, has a little more vitamins for you in it. It smells good. Okay, so here goes in the tomatoes. All right. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Now we're gonna mix that up. And then we're gonna add some more seasonings and more chili powder. I add chili powder throughout all the layers. Now, I do have a recipe on here, but honestly, I just keep adding chili powder. And then at the end, we even add a little dash of cayenne pepper. Garlic. Yeah, it's good for the muscles. Yeah. Woo! That's hard. Ouch.
You're very loud.
Okay, that's good. So it's all in there, and I added in the more chili pepper at the end here, and I even added some cayenne pepper because Tim, he likes things spicy. So everything in there, it's boiling. The one thing I want to tell you guys is after you're done de-seeding the peppers, make sure you wash your hands with a lot of soap and water, and even maybe put some lotion on afterwards, because I've made the mistake of only washing my hands once before and then rubbing my eye. So it's hard sometimes to get that chili off. So make sure you wash your hands real good. As I said, we like things real spicy, but not on my eyes. So I added in the cayenne pepper for Tim. So at the end, you're going to see that we top it. We top the chili off when we're about to eat it with cilantro. And you can either use, if you're really going to be healthy, you can use some non-fat plain yogurt or some low-fat sour cream. I prefer the low-fat sour cream or light sour cream if I can't get low-fat sour cream. So because Tim likes so much chili in it, I do add in extra sour cream to cool it off for me. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then after we bring it to a boil, we're going to let it simmer for 1 hour. And it's going to get even more juices in it. That's why you don't need to add a lot of water, and it's going to be delicious. Now, of course, if you like it more soupy, you could add in more water, but we like ours chunky, so I don't add in a lot of water. It's going to be so good. All done. We add a little avocado to our plate, just to fatten it up, a healthy meal. But look at that, gorgeous.
Smells delicious.
He just got out of karate, so he's a little red from
And now I'm
working
eating
out.
piping hot turkey chili. Very good.
It actually is one of his favorite meals I cook.
I do like turkey chili. It's delicious.
Good. Look at her case that she got.
It's made out of Spunky's fur.
It looks like a spunky
If
case.
you put that on Spunky, you might lose it.
I will put the link to that case on below our video if you want to buy
Do you
it
like your case, Anna?
on
Yeah,
Amazon.
it's so fluffy.
It's just so fluffy.
It is cute. It's really cute. And look who came out.
Quick, put it on him.
It matches.
Spunky has like a side door. Put it on him. I want to see what it looks like.
It's a spunky case.
Come on, Anna.
It is a total
Serious.
spunky case.
I want to see what it looks like. Wait, here it comes.
Oh my god, it is spunky.
It's just so fluffy.
It's
Get it out of me. Put it on his
It
back.
totally matches him.
No, it doesn't quite.
It matches his
It
front a
does.
little bit.
Okay, there you have it. Turkey chili, delicious.
And nutritious.
And nutritious, healthy.
I do like it. I could eat it every day.
Okay, that's it. We like to make a big batch of turkey chili. We have enough there for probably tonight, tomorrow for lunch, tomorrow for dinner. I could make a big batch of it and eat it all week. So there you have it, my favorite turkey chili. Good luck with that. Let me know if you try it and if you like it. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button.